Hi everyone. In a world where raw power meets pure style, only a few machines truly stand out. And this one doesn't just stand, it dominates. Welcome to the world of Thunderbike, where performance is sculpted in steel, and attitude rolls on two wheels. This is the 2025 Harley-Davidson Lowrider S Custom, the TRP-Onyx. Get ready to meet a beast where club style, racing spirit, and blacked-out aggression collide in perfect harmony. The Lowrider S might trace its roots back to 2023, but don't let that fool you, this machine still hits like a freight train. Underneath the sleek custom skin lies a Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine, pumping out a thunderous 106 horsepower and a crushing 169 Nm of torque straight into the pavement. You don't just ride this bike, you unleash it. Now let's talk about that name, TRP-Onyx. The last letter, P, stands for the very soul of this build, performance. Specifically, Thunderbike racing performance. And the Onyx? That's not just a color. It's a vibe, a deep, dark, powerful presence inspired by the black bands of the onyx stone. And trust us, this bike lives up to the name. It's bold. It's solid. It's unforgettable. With the TRP Onyx, Thunderbike took the aggressive club style and fused it seamlessly with the soft-tail frame of the Milwaukee-Eight series, proving that performance and style don't just coexist. They elevate each other. Until then, this look was mainly reserved for the sportier Dynas with their classic two-arm swing arms. The focus was always on sportiness, combined with a large volume engine and an imposing big twin frame. This style developed back in the 1980s. It is said that rocker clubs coined it because their bulky choppers were not fast enough to evade the police. Is that really true? There is no official history on the subject. But one thing is certain, this look has remained. Today, it stands for a dynamic lifestyle, characterized by power, agile chassis and a performance that presents itself with confidence. Modesty is not the virtue of club style, which has experienced a flourishing renaissance in recent years and in which we have also been involved for a long time, in all the modesty that is not so necessary here. This explains the déjà vu that loyal Thunderbike customers may feel. This Lowrider S, which we trimmed for performance, won us the trophy in the professional class of the Club Style Europe contest at the Custom Bike Show. Back then, the appearance of our TRP Pro was even less modest: GT wheels, Pro Performance swing arm and Pro Performance triple clamp and a lot of parts in general shown in gold-colored coatings and anodizations. That was for the show, and it brought us success. But club style is also something for the street. It can be more successful there if the performance is a bit more serious. So we went back to coating the once gold-colored components in the color that is never wrong for a biker, black. We now also sell the components of the TRP line in black. The paint work by Ingo Cruz has remained, if only because every Cruz paint job is also a work of art. The performance parts have also remained, all now in black. The 21-inch GT front wheel, the 18-inch GT rear wheel, the Pro Performance swing arm, the Pro Performance triple clamps, the Pro Performance fork conversion with lowering, the club handlebars, the club style risers, the Vegas brake discs and the radially bolted monoblock brakes. Not forgetting the DLC-coated fork tubes. The letters stand for diamond-like carbon, and this is the most valuable surface treatment that can be applied to a fork tube. Oh yes, the fork coating was already black on the TRP Pro. We have remained true to ourselves. The TRP has remained what our boss Andreas once called performant. As the Onyx, it is now also black, and that is credible, serious, technical, maybe even a bit evil. It's club style. Whether you're faster than the police with it, you'll have to try it for yourself. We don't recommend it, you can just take our word for it, because we're serious too.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show, there are the things I want to know. Secrets
Thanks for watching.